potatoes, it's Kristy, and this is Recipes Revisited, where I cook my way through my prized possession, my grandma's 1950 Betty Crocker Picture Cookbook. Today, we're working on the dessert chapter. Look at these lovely desserts. Here is quite the bûche de Noël. Here is a cake that appears to have sunflower seeds on it, maybe? And then this is just like a melon with some very shiny grapes around it, but you also have this nice little Victorian lady overseeing things. And then there's this, which I bet is like a coconut snowball and some sort of jello concoction. Amazing. But today we are not making any of those things. We are making this lemon cake pudding. Lemon cake pudding is the key recipe on this page, and you can apparently make it with either lemon, lime, orange, or pineapple. First, you're gonna sift together a 1/4 cup of flour, a cup of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you'll stir in the rind from 1 lemon, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 2 egg yolks, and a cup of milk, and then fold in 2 stiffly beaten egg whites. That goes into a baking dish that you set in a pan of water, and you bake it for 45 minutes. So it bakes up so soft and fluffy, and then underneath, as you scoop it out, there's this lemony, flowing molten sauce that looks so bright and delicious. Now it is time for the best part, time to taste it. It says where pudding and sauce bake in the same dish, and that appears to be very true. You have this fluffy, cakey layer on the top, and then saucy bit on the bottom. Let's try it. It's so good. It's really bright and lemony and soft. It's delicious. I will totally make this again. This is great. Thanks, Betty Crocker.